Alright guys, so key points of performance today, we're getting into another variation of doing the pistol squat. So a lot of times people struggle with not only mobility, but strength to get into the actual pistol. I'll show you that guy again. Taking one leg down, toes out in front, and then being able to stand back up. So if you have limited ankle mobility, if you try to do what I just did there, it might look something like this, and then you kind of fall back or stumble down. And that's just because your freedom through here, your mobility through here, isn't allowing you to track forward. So we're going to use this drill to kind of help couple that with a controlled negative or eccentric load, rolling into a candlestick and then using some momentum, kind of like getting some assistance to get up and then work actual single leg strength. So I want to break down the candlestick roll first. I'm going to do it with 2 feet. We'll go here, reach it up, and then you're going to do a big snap to get onto one leg. So if you notice when I'm right here, this is a strong hollow body. You're going to use that momentum from the hollow body to reach up, and then you'll snap up. So when you're back here, arms are going to be back, nearly touching the ground. I'll actually do a full one with 2 feet now. Arms touch the ground, use them to snap you up to create some momentum. Now we have this on one leg. Main thing is to get that control down. You're always getting stronger on the negative piece. So trying to get control, control, control. Candlestick, pop. Use your legs, use your arms to snap down to create some momentum. Control, candle, pop. That's gonna happen. The part of stability and strength, nothing wrong with that. There's sometimes you might get here and you don't have the strength to get up. Maybe use your fingers, your hands, whatever the case may be. That's the candlestick roll of pistol. Get after it.